Hello, welcome to Vikram's home, where together we find solutions for everything. I'm Vikram, and on this show, people call me for help with their home. Hi, welcome to the show. How can I help you?
Hi, Vikram. This is Carol. I have a question about snacks.
Snacks? Oh, I love snacks. Please go on.
Well, my guest bathroom is farther from the kitchen. If people are in the living room, what snacks should I leave nearby?
Great question, Carol. You want easy snacks. Put them on a table over there near the sofa.
Okay, over there near the sofa sounds perfect. What snacks are best?
Try small snacks like crackers, nuts, or candies. Pick ones that won't make a mess.
Oh, that's smart. What about drinks? Should I leave drinks with the snacks?
Yes, but choose simple drinks like water or juice boxes, nothing too heavy or fizzy.
This is so helpful, Vikram. I'll get snacks and maybe set up a small tray.
That's a great idea, Carol. It'll feel like a mini snack shuttle for your guests.
A shuttle of snacks. I love that. Thanks, Vikram.
Another problem solved. Thank you for listening to Vikram's Home. See you next time.